Hi guys, I want to talk about today that should you be installing Filmora 12.06 or no? Basically, I was very excited when the beta version of Filmora 12 was released, and I was one of the first people to install it, and it was working perfectly fine. Until I decided to move on to the actual regular version of that, which was released yesterday, and that was 12.0.5. So I downloaded that version and I started working with my videos. It was just working perfectly fine until an update was released today, which was Filmora 12.0.6. And after that, all the disasters started happening. After I would paste this video over here, and if I were to replicate this video, the third time or the second time I started replicating my videos, Filmora 12.0.6 will start getting stuck. So that's why I decided to uninstall 12.0.6, and I downloaded again and reinstalled 12.0.6. I was under the impression maybe a restart will fix the problem, so I restarted before I uninstall and reinstall. So the restarting did not fix the problem, so I uninstalled it completely and installed 12.0.6 again. I was still having the same problem that I was not even able to move the video like this. I mean, it would take like a minute to move and then a minute to, and it'll get stuck. It was like a disaster working with it. And then even after I reinstall, it was still acting the same way. So what I decided to do, I decided to go back to the last stable version of Filmora 11, which was 11.0.7. So the beta version was working perfectly fine. 12.0.5 version was working perfectly fine. It was not until the latest update that was released today that Filmora started acting up. So what I've decided to do, I will stay with the 11.7 version until the 12.0 version becomes stable. So I will wait for maybe an update or so, and I'll try again to see if it is stable or not. If it is stable, I will let you guys know. If it is not stable, then I will stay away from 12.0.7. Hopefully the version 11 is still there to be installed, and otherwise, it'll be very difficult to work with it. So hopefully the issue will be resolved soon. So for now, my suggestion to you would be, if you're going with 12, to maybe wait for a few days and then install 12, so that you can avoid the problem. It was very frustrating. I was editing the video, and in the middle of that, the update popped up, and I said probably I should go ahead and install the update. And then I saved my project, installed the update, and it was just a disaster after that. And just wasted an hour of my time having to go through this whole process, and the project was also delayed. So I would recommend that you don't install 12 yet. Thank you. Take care. Bye.